Hello and welcome to Skyline. I'm Dhruti Athri, and tonight we begin with a question. Why are Indians, specifically in the United States, suddenly becoming the center of so many debates in America? Well, tonight's stories, they are not just headlines, they are warning signs. Warning signs about how quickly public opinion can change, how immigration debates can affect real families, how one visa rule can impact thousands of dreams, and how the success of Indian Americans, well, it is now becoming part of a larger political battle unfolding across the United States. So tonight, let's look at the America that Indians are experiencing right now. Now, for decades, the Indian Americans, well, they have been seen as one of the most successful immigrant community in the US. They lead major companies. They work in top hospitals, contribute to cutting-edge research, and play a key role in the American economy. That is why recent comments by former US Ambassador Carla Sands, it has triggered such a strong reaction. Sands suggested that immigrants from what she called corrupt culture bring corruption into America. And many people interpreted those comments as maybe targeting highly skilled individuals that are immigrants, including Indians. For many Indians living in America, the controversy, it is more just about one comment. It reflects a growing feeling that despite their contribution, they are increasingly becoming part of a political and cultural battle here. In the meantime, Indian Americans, they have helped build basically America. Businesses create jobs, strengthen industries ranging from technology to healthcare. Yet, anti-immigration voices, they continue questioning the presence and influence. Well, the debate raises an important question here. Why is one of America's most successful immigrant community increasingly finding itself under scrutiny? The United States is expanding social media screening requirements, and that too for several categories of non-immigrant visas. Now, under this new rule, applicants, they may be required to make their social media profiles publicly accessible, and the reason is that the officials, they want to review them during the visa process. Ladies and gentlemen, here the government says that the goal, well, it is to strengthen national security and just ensure that applicants, they do not pose any kind of risk to their country. But let's shift our focus towards Indians. For them, the story is significant because millions of them, they apply for US visas every single year. And it has a lot of categories: students, workers, family members, professionals, etc. All rely on access to America just for education or career opportunity here. Now, many applicants, they are now wondering how their online activity could be interpreted, and whether social media, maybe post or story, and that too from years ago, it can affect visa decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, the message from Washington, it is crystal clear now. Immigration screening, it is definitely becoming more detailed, and digital footprints, they are now part of the whole process here. But while some Indians, they face greater scrutiny, others, they continue making history and proving why Indian talent, it is respected, and that too all around the globe. We are talking about an Indian origin doctor that has created a world record. That's right. At a time when many headlines, they focus on immigration controversy, well, one Indian origin doctor, well, that person has given the whole community a reason to celebrate. Cardiac surgeon Dr. Sudhir Srivastava has set a world record by performing the longest distance robotic cardiac telesurgery. Basically, using a made in India robotic surgical system, he successfully operated from Goa on the patient in India. Imagine that, covering thousands of miles through advanced medical technology here. This whole achievement, it highlights how Indian innovation and expertise, it continues to make the whole global impact. According to Dr. Srivastava, robotic telesurgery, it can reduce recovery time and lower cost for the patients while expanding the access to the specialized medical care here. Now, for the Indians in the United States, this whole story, it's just a reminder that Indian origin professionals, they continue to lead the breakthrough in science, maybe medicine, technology, AI, While some people they debate about immigration, others are using their skills to change lives across the continents. Now, unfortunately, not every story involving Indian in America it is a positive one. Our next story it involves a major fraud case that has drawn the federal attention. We are talking about a 20-year-old Indian man who's living in the United States without legal status, and now he has been arrested in connection with a very sophisticated fraud scheme involving nearly $500,000 of gold. Now, according to investigators, scammers they kind of convinced an elderly woman that her social security number had been compromised and persuaded her to convert her savings into gold for safekeeping. Authorities said that the victim was manipulated into handing over large amount of just the gold before the federal agents intervened and arrested the suspect. Now, cases like this, it attract the significant attention because they can influence public perception about immigrants, specifically Indians here. Community leaders, they often point out that actions of a few individuals, it should not really define an entire community. Well, millions of Indians in America, they work hard. They follow all the rules and they contribute very positively to the society. However, stories involving fraud and criminal activity, it kind of generates headline and then it becomes part of a larger immigration debate. And yes, speaking of immigration, another case is raising a lot of questions about how much power the US border officials they should have when travelers arrive in America. The next story will shock you. A social media post about a traveler being denied entry into the United States, and that too despite holding a valid visa. It has sparked worldwide debate and widespread discussion online. Ladies and gentlemen, according to reports, the individual arrived at Los Angeles International Airport, but he was detained by Custom and Border Protection officials and held for several days. In the meantime, his family members, they reportedly struggled to contact him, increasing a lot of concern about the whole situation. This case, it highlights an important reality. Possessing a valid US visa, it does not automatically guarantee entry. Border officials, they have the authority to determine whether a traveler remains eligible for admission or not. The report suggests that the traveler may have previously engaged in unauthorized work while traveling the US, specifically something that can be treated as a violation of visa condition. For many Indians who frequently travel to America, this whole story serves as a reminder that immigration rules, it continues to be enforced strictly and that even past actions, it can affect future travel plans. But yes, despite all these challenges, many Indian lawmakers, they still believe that skilled foreign professionals, they are very, very important to the country's future. The debate over H-1B visa, it is no longer limited to technology workers. American lawmakers are now pushing for relief measures that would help school hire foreign teachers. Now here specifically remote and underserved communities. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, during a Senate hearing, lawmakers, they argued that many school districts, they face severe staffing shortages and they depend on international educators to fill the important position. The whole discussion, it is particularly relevant for Indians because many skilled professionals, they use the H-1B visa program to work in the United States. While technology workers, they often receive the most attention. Foreign teachers, doctors, researchers, and other professionals, they also play very, very important role in the American society. Lawmakers acknowledge that some rural communities, they do struggle to maybe recruit the qualified staff and urge the officials to consider flexibility in visa policy. But you know what? The whole debate, it shows that even an immigration that becomes more politically sensitive, there remains strong recognition of the contribution of skilled immigrants that continue to make across the United States. Now, tonight's stories, they reveal two different realities for Indians in America. On one hand, there are growing concern about immigration, anti-Indian sentiment, stricter visa rules and increased scrutiny. And on the other hand, Indian origin professionals, they continue breaking records, driving a lot of innovation and contributing to the success of the American economy. Well, the challenges, they are real, but so are the achievements. And as the debate over immigration it continues, the Indian community that remains one of the most influential and successful immigrant group in the United States. I am Dhruti Yatri, this was Skyline, and I'll see you in the next episode.